guys, for those returning back, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that just stumbled upon it and you're very new, hi, my name is Bumi. Today what I'm bringing with you guys is, I don't know what I'm gonna call it actually, I don't know what I'm gonna title it. It's mostly around my perfume collections, if they're suited for winter, spring, summer and autumn. And if I sound like something is wrong with me, that's because I have a cold. I just got back from a wedding actually not too long ago. The wedding ended quite early and I felt like I didn't want my makeup to go to waste. That's why I wanted to record this video. I had it in mind to do it sometime this week, but I didn't know it was gonna be tonight. So yeah, just bear with me. But right now I have with me my honey and lemon tea, extra lemon inside it with extra honey inside it as well. That was piping on. I have the seed, the lemon seed. So pardon me about that one. Hold on, give me a sec. Oh yeah, that went in. Ooh, I can feel it in my chest. Yeah, I can feel it in my chest. So the first perfume I want to show you guys is from this company called Arabian Oud. They are like literally one of my favorite places to go to for perfumes these days, and that's because the more I get older the more mature my taste is. Like, I've developed such a mature taste for perfumes and I want it to be more womanly and sexy instead of too like sweet sometimes. So these people are like the perfect, you know, place to go. The first one I got is called Abyat, and this is the box. This is how it looks literally. So this is how the packaging looks literally. It's like a box, so clean and chic, and that's one thing I like about it. This is how the inside is, right? How the actual perfume looks. It gives that sexy sort of feel that you want. I'm the type of person that I like to dress good, do my makeup well, and also smell good, and this will literally make people smell you from miles away before you even step into the building. And that's because it has like layers of like saffron, lilies, a mixture of rose. It also has like jasmine with a bit of oud in it, which is something that I love. A perfect wintry sort of perfume for me that I'll go for mostly. And it's also your classic go-to for a good night out with your friend, or like on a date night with bae. It's just like very, very, very luxurious. Oh my god guys, I feel so expensive when I have this on. It's my favorite go-to. I have a lot of perfume collections. It's literally my #1 go-to. This is what I would always wear, and I swear to god, like literally I get people that stop me on the road and ask me what I have on. This is literally what I have on. One thing I'm going to tell you guys though is that it's quite on the pricey side. Well, it's like mid-range. It's not the most expensive perfume I have, but it retails for £100 and it's like 95 mils. So you get what you buy. So it's just kind of, and it lasts a while. Like literally every time I spray this on, I can still smell it on my body 3 days later. And sometimes even when I wash my clothes off or whatever and I dry clean it and everything like that, when I'm ironing my clothes, I can still smell it on my clothes. It's that strong and powerful, and you literally don't need a lot for it to smell really good, and it doesn't disappear because it's oud, and it has that warm sort of feeling as well that you want. So I would say this is my go-to for winter, but you can also get away with it for autumn and the beginning of spring. But this is what this literally has been my go-to for winter. It's quite unisex as well, so you get the best of both worlds, if that makes sense. The next one I want to show you guys is also from Arabian Oud, and it's called Elegant, and it comes in this pretty pink package, very, very girly. It's 100 ml. So this is how the box comes in. It comes in, once you open it up, this is how the bottle comes in, and the top notes for it are like saffron. You can smell a bit of like raspberry in it as well. It has like pear as well, orange blossom as well, and I think the base, The base is quite like amberish. Yeah, it's very amberish and it's very like sweet and flowery. So actually this is what I have on right now on me. I wore it to the wedding because it was kind of like giving me like spring vibe and summer vibe that you wear. Like it's very playful and very flirty, and it's something that is also sweet and it lasts a while actually. Yeah, I can still smell it on me and it's so good. When you put this on, you're gonna have guys that come up to you that just want to smell you for no reason, and that's what you want, isn't it? You just want your bae or your girlfriends to be like, girl, where did you get that from, you know? So that's the second most used one that I go for whenever I'm going out as well. Yeah, as I mentioned, it's 100ml and this costs like £52.50. I would say I was lying if I didn't tell you that this next perfume that I have in my collection, because of its actual design. The design is so beautiful and has actually won a lot of awards, and I didn't even know about it until a friend mentioned it to me. I had to go on the website and it was actually true. To be honest, I can see why it won loads of awards. This is how it looks. This is the packaging of it. I threw away the box actually because I've had this for over a couple of months now, and the packaging was quite massive. It's a lot bigger than the last two I showed you guys. So it has this little like blue detailing, and then it has the name, which is called Lamsa. I hope I'm saying it right. It's called Lamsa. It smells amazing. I can't smell it out properly because I have a cold, but yeah, oh, it smells so good. Like it smells and it's like almost 2 o'clock, so I can't even spray it on. I think I'm gonna wear this on Wednesday because I'm going out on Wednesday. Actually, I'm gonna wear it on Tuesday because I have a date that I'm going to on Tuesday. The smell has a bit of like orange blossom with a bit of like sweet like blueberry, and then you have like that sweet jasmine sort of jasmine like lemony vibe to it. Oh, it feels amazing, guys. Like literally it's something you can have as a signature perfume for your everyday wear. It's something I would wear in summertime. It has that summery flow to it. Like you just feel fresh and nice and like very womanly, and that's all you need with perfumes really. You don't want to smell like a child, like a baby prostitute. You want to smell quite luxurious, expensive. Like any guy that wants to step to you knows you're expensive, babe, you know. You don't want some in it boys to approach you, you know what I'm saying? And this one will let them know you're not in that category, you're not in that one standard. It retails for £75. To be honest, it's not pricey because a lot of other perfumes are YSL, retails within this price range. The benefit of this is that literally is long wearing. It's not something you have to take around with you for touch-ups because it will just stay on your body for the rest of the day, even for the next week or whatever. I also got this from the Arabian Oud. This is literally my top 3. The next perfume, there's a bit of toast. Sorry. The next perfume I want to show you guys is my Caroline Herrera perfume. It's called Good Girl. And when I think of good girls, especially with what this bottle design is insinuating, is like almost kind of like, are you really a good girl though? I know I'm not a good girl. I can be very naughty. I tend to be told that I'm very flirty as well, and this always makes me feel comfortable being a bad girl. I just feel very powerful wearing this. You know that feeling you get when you wear your 6-inch heels? You just feel so very elegant in it. Like it has like some sort of like very dark and mysterious and mischievous elements to it, if that makes sense. And it's the perfect way to complete your outfit, you know. This is like a transitional perfume that you wear. You know, you have your morning scent, and then if you're going out afterwards, you spray something on top of your morning scent to give it that different sort of notes, different sort of like scent you want. This is what you go. I wear this all season actually. It's good for every day as well, so it's every day, so I wear this all season. If you want to feel powerful and playful, this one is for you. This retails for £72. This is the 50ml, I think. Hold on, let me see. Wait. Oh, this is 80ml actually. Yeah, that's why it's like £72. And who wouldn't want this packaging just laying on your dressing table? Is grab and go. And then the next one kind of speaks for itself in terms of luxury, and it's called like Decadence. One of the reasons why I bought this was because of the packaging as well. This is how it looks. It has like the black tassel to it with like the gold chains. It smells rich and very, very warm. Like it has like woody, sexy amber feel to it. And I think you guys can notice that I'm a very, very amber person. I'm very, very woody as well. And it has like a bit of like Italian plum to it, and saffron. Yeah, I can see I have similar taste in all my perfumes. This comes in 30ml, 50ml, 100ml, and this one is 50ml. And I can't remember how much I bought this for, but I know it retails from £50 to £100. This is one thing that I love, and I just feel like a lady. It's like a luxurious feeling that comes with wearing this perfume. So yeah, I would recommend this. And the next thing I want to show you guys is a perfume from Marc called Oud de Toilette. So that's the lowest form of the perfume. Put this on. You have to keep topping yourself for 3 hours or so because it evaporates. I actually got this as a birthday present from one of my friends, Tosin. She's amazing. She bought this for me last year for my birthday. Like it gives that summery, that summery scent that you want, elegant to it as well. It's very sweet and floral, and it's just girly, if that makes sense. This is 30ml. This is an everyday. How to put on your perfume the right way without wasting your money. I think the one mistake a lot of people make is putting their perfumes on their clothes and just putting it all around. That's not the right way to do it, because you're just being wasteful. Clothes are not meant to be perfumey. It's just meant to be on your skin. It should be absorbed by your skin. The way I'm going to demonstrate, I want to show you the right areas to put your perfume at. Imagine someone is hugging you. Think of all the right sensitive parts of your body, right? So you have your ears right here. So you spray the perfume around here. Yeah, you spray it around there, not too closely, but just right enough. And then also you spray it around this point, pulse point of your body as well. That way is all like absorbing into the skin and it radiates out, and it works well with your body chemicals. Yes, a perfume can have its own scent, but also your body chemicals can affect the way it comes out and the way it radiates out. So you just want to make sure that it's just hitting the right spot for you. Some perfume do actually need to be warmed up a little bit with your body temperature, if that makes sense, to make this smell a bit stronger. So as I mentioned before, put it here, put it there. Do not rub it. That's the mistake people always do, rubbing two skins together from two body type parts, and it's just gonna mess up with the old chemical and the old scent of the perfume. So you don't want to do that. So the pulse points of your body. And one mistake is when you spray it on your wrist, you're not meant to rub it this way. A lot of people make that mistake. Do not do that, because then you're messing up the old body chemicals basically. Let it absorb into your body and just let it work its magic. Spray it on here as well. Remember when they're taking blood from you, they always check where the veiny part of it is, so that's where you spray it on. You spray it on your shoulders as well. And then to make it more powerful, spray your perfume on your ankle to make it more powerful. So it's that sort of thing that you want. Like, you just want to intensify it. You just want the perfume to work well with your body chemical. And that's the way I spray my perfume. Ever since then, I've noticed that my perfume lasts a lot longer. This ends my video for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your family, friends, word of mouth, all that jazz. That would be amazing, because in that way it shows me that I'm doing a great job. You're basically giving me a pat on the shoulders. Please don't forget to support your girl, and if you have any other suggestions that you want me to do, suggestions and videos, just don't hesitate to comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from it as well. And would you purchase any of this perfume that I mentioned to you guys? Just let me know how you feel. Do you have any of them at home in your collection? Let me know what you think of it, and we can have that conversation in the comment section below. I love you always. Have a great day, and remember to be nice to people always. Mwah.